Вечерва на МТМ телевизија, своеглавата и ексцентричната сестра Джеки.
Oh, come on.
How are you going to explain a sawn-off wedding ring to Kevin?
I will think of something. You told Eddie I have a kid.
Oh, no, I didn't. Yes, I did. I'm sorry. Hey, Jackie! I want you to meet someone.
Oh, hi, it's Melissa, right? Yeah. I need you to put in your 2 cents with the board or whatever it is that wants to put a Pyxis in the pharmacy.
Shut up. We're getting a Pyxis?
Zoe walked in on me and Eddie. And I kissed Coop. Yeah, I thought you'd like that.
Personally, I don't think God punishes us. What about you?
Вечерва, 21 часот и 40 минути. Сестра Джеки.